they've agreed to donate the organs. He's a 25-year-old native of Madhya Pradesh. He has donated heart, lungs, liver and 2 kidneys. The kidneys have come to Goa Medical College for 2 waitlist patients, both female patients. The first kidney to the retrieval of organs, green corridor. I must thank every one of you. Because of you, we could do this program today of donation flawlessly. We are all the part of the committee, part of the team, but the biggest hero here is the donor who has donated his organs. And to understand and to appreciate his action, we have the highest authority of the state, Honorable Health Minister, who himself has come all the way in spite of his busy schedule to thank the wife of the survivor, the wife of the deceased, who has a 2-year-old child with her. So I would now request Honorable Health Minister to do the honors. Thank you.
Dean, Goa Medical College, Additional Secretary Health, Supti, Director, Rajesh Patil, Doctor present here, and all the doctors and members of the media, and Jagruti ji. Basically, Dean has already mentioned, this is the 6th such case that is being handled by Goa Medical College. I would like to thank Jagruti ji, because if not for her, this would have not happened, because you need to have that type of mindset, you need to be having that type of courage actually to agree to such a thing. And it's not something that is simple. Though we talk about it, we discuss it, we educate and counsel people, but I think it is because of courage. And it was a really unfortunate incident that took place, which was a hit and run accident, and due to which we are here today, and she has agreed, and she has actually agreed to donate the organs of her husband, which already today I would like to also, I'm grateful to her, because of her, so many other people are getting saved, and tomorrow somebody is getting a lease of life. Like doctor just mentioned, that both the kidneys are being utilized in Goa Medical College. Heart is being allotted to HN Reliance Hospital in Mumbai. Then the liver is also going to play a life-saving role in somebody else's life in Zydus Hospital, Ahmedabad. And Noto allocated the lungs to Apollo Indraprasth Hospital in Delhi. 3 green corridors that were created, and I'm grateful to the Goa Police and to 108, because it is because of them we are able to facilitate and make use of this green corridor that was facilitated to us by the Goa Police, who has helped us take these the heart and liver from GMC to Mopa and lungs from GMC to Dabolim. I would like to thank the media also for coming here today at such short notice, and I would like to thank Jagruti ji. She has a 2-year-old child, and this is something unfortunate. Though her husband was a laborer at a construction site in Bicholim, and such incidents actually shatter the family. And after shattering the family, yet she has courage actually to come forward and donate the organs of her husband. I think we should actually, it should be something that is to be recognized, because of this, somebody's life is getting saved. She's not only giving a lease of life, she has lost her husband, but she's given a lease of life to so many other people through the organs of her husband, and which I'm really grateful. And all of us from the media also have to understand, I would recognize something that she has done. Leave aside Goa Medical College, we are all a part of one team. But Goa Medical College, our doctors, all of us are part of one team. But somebody to come forward. If the person doesn't come forward, then you cannot, there's no way of you saving somebody else's life. But I'm really grateful to her and our team of doctors also in Goa Medical College, because this is not something, because your life gets shattered. And after your life gets shattered, because he's only bread earner of that particular family, and then she comes forward to do an act like this. This is something, and on record I would like to ask, I've told our trust also, and I'm going to talk to the dean and our doctors here present, is that the education of the child will be taken care of by my personal trust. So that's why I came today here, though it was on the occasion of my father's birthday, but I said this is more important than in any other celebration, because somebody is going through some sort of pain, and that pain is something that has to be addressed. That's why I came here just to say that the education part that Dean will create a nodal officer who will ensure that each and every aspect of Jagrati will be taken care of, and we will ensure that the education of the child is fully taken care of by us and through my personal trust, so that Dean will be responsible, and I will ask the Additional Secretary Health also to make sure that this officially is intimated to Goa Medical College. It is important for us to play some sort of role when somebody comes forward. She may not be originally from Goa, but she may be from Madhya Pradesh and Jabalpur. But actually when something's happened, it is helping somebody here in Goa Medical College. The organs of a husband is helping somebody else in some other state. And these things have to be recognized, and we have to appreciate these type of things. Any amount of counseling, any amount of telling somebody or convincing somebody, if a situation like this arises in a particular home, it is something that has to be recognized, and we must actually appreciate what she is doing and what she has done. I would like to thank her once again, and I would like to thank the media for coming here at such not notice, and a team of doctors who's always been vigilant and always been proactive and always helped us, and also our doctor in charge of Soto in Goa. Because of her, we were able to put all our things in order, so that we were able to harvest the organs in such situations and make use of it here in our state of Goa. I am grateful to her also. I am also grateful to all our doctors and also the police once again, and also 108 for having ensured that this is facilitated in a very smooth manner. Thank you so much.
I would now request the family to please come forward.
सबको मिलेगा, सबको मिलेगा। अरे तो सोकोला पहले है, हमारा पहले सर कॉल डाउन सर तो फुड़े आप क्या कर दिए हो साहिबा। This is wrong.